Today, I'm going to show you how to view CapCut templates in CapCut on PC in just a few simple steps. If you've ever opened CapCut and wondered where all the templates are, or how to quickly find a specific one without wasting time, this video will help you get there fast. This is a quick and easy tutorial, so whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, you'll be able to follow along in seconds. And before we jump in, if this guide helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once CapCut loads, take a look at the left-hand menu on the screen. This is where you'll find the main sections of the app. And the one you want for this tutorial is Templates. Go ahead and click Templates from the left menu. As soon as you do that, CapCut will take you to the Templates section where you can browse through the available options. From here, you can view all the templates in one place. This is useful if you want to explore different styles, find trending layouts, or simply see what CapCut has available before you start editing it. If you're looking for something specific, you don't have to scroll forever. Just use the search bar at the top to type in a keyword, style, or template name. CapCut will then filter the results and show you the most relevant templates based on what you searched for. This makes it much faster to find the exact template you want to use. You can keep browsing, compare different templates, and choose the one that fits your project best. So to recap, open CapCut on your PC, click Templates from the left menu, and then either browse all templates or use the search bar to find a specific one. That's all there is to it. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.